The interior lights are controlled by these switches located just above the rearview mirror. Press this switch to turn the interior lights on. The lights will illuminate regardless of door positions. Press the switch again to turn the interior lights off. When this switch is depressed, the interior lights will not illuminate when a door is open. When the switch is in this position and a door is open, the lights will illuminate. Press the map light to turn it on or off. If so equipped, press this switch to turn the rear personal light on or off. The trunk light will illuminate when the trunk is open. For vehicles equipped with personalized ambient lighting, here is how to adjust the settings. Touch settings, vehicle, interior light, ambient lighting, then select the setting you want to adjust. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.